Okay, so once again, welcome to Pankaj's Echelon Tutorials, and we are going to continue with where we had left in the last video. And I suppose in the last video there was some ambiguity in this question number 18A, in fact, question number 18. But then I checked out, so uh, we are on the right track. Okay, so we are getting x cube is equal to 1000, x is equal to 10. So basically, this g of y is equal to 100. You have to take the function g of y as same as what is given in the question, okay, on the top, right? So let us go for the b part, okay, so that you'll understand. Now in the b part, what they have asked you is, let us check the question first. 18b is find a z if h of z is 24. Okay, so the question is, write down the question again for you. You have to find this time z if h of z is equal to 24. Now, what is h of z given to us as? Now, see, it is given as h of x, not h of z, okay? But I think you have to treat x and z the same, okay? So, it is 12 by x. So, let us take it 12 by, so h of z is equal to 12 by x, right? Actually, it should be h of z is equal to 12 by x. Now, this is given to you as 24. Okay. So, anyways, you can do one thing. See, f of h of x is given as 12 upon x, right? This way you can treat it. H of x is given as 12 upon x. So, h of z will be equal to 12 upon z. Okay, you can do this. So, see, while finding the value of a function, all you have to do is you have to plug in the value of this h of whatever value you want to put. Now here we want to put a variable z. So you have to plug in the place of x. Okay, so in place of x, I'm putting it z. So h of z will be 12 by z. And this h of z is given to you as 24. So your z will be equal to what? Z will be equal to 12 by 24, which works out to half. And that's the correct answer. Here also you can do the same thing. G of y is given to you as 100. Okay. So what you have to do is g of x is given to you as x cube upon 10, right? So from here, I will just undo this. This question, I'm going to do it again for you so that you understand. Yeah. Okay, fine. So g of x is given to you as x cube upon 10. So what I'll do is I will find out g of y now. Okay. So to find g of y, what I'll have to do is in place of x, I'll have to plug in y. So it will be y cube upon 10. And this g of y is given as 100 here. Okay, g of y is given as 100. So now considering this only, you can find out your y. Because they will ask you to find out y, isn't it? So y cube will be equal to 100 into 10 is 1000. And that will give you y equal to 10. Okay, so this is correct, this is correct. Okay, now let us come to C. Okay, now what is 18C? Let me check out the question. 18C is find W if G of W is 0.8. So find W, you have to find W if G of W is equal to 0.8. Okay, so same way, g of x is given as what was our g of x? Okay, g of x was x cube upon 10. Okay, so g of x is x cube upon 10. From this, you will get g of w will be equal to w cube upon 10. And this g of w is given to you as 0.8, isn't it? So considering this only, we'll get w cube equal to 10 times 0.8, which is equal to 8. Okay, so w cube is equal to 8. This implies that w cube is equal to 8. This means that w will be equal to 2, isn't it? So your answer for w is 2. Okay, so this was question number 18th ka C part, and the answer you get is W is equal to 2. Okay, so 18C, the answer is 2. Now let us quickly go to question number 19. Okay, now I'll have to do one thing. I have to bring this down again. Okay. That's it. And okay, fine. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so let us start with question number 19. Now, question number 19, I'll work out your space over here on the left, right? Okay, so here we have reached 18th. ABC is done, right? 1 second, huh? Hello? Hey, अरे प्रथम है. Hello. Now 19. Now question number 19 is okay. Now here they have mentioned for questions 19 and 20, the functions K and L, K, L and M are defined as follows. So for question number 19, your function, now this is the denotation given here. K semicolon X arrow mark 2x square upon 3. Now this way also you can denote a function, and the other way of denoting the function, same function, is K of X is equal to 2x square upon 3. This way also you can denote, and I'm going to follow this method, right? So K of X is given to you, and similarly L of X is also given to you, and L of X is given to you as if I can read out properly, okay, it's square root of y minus 1 times y minus 2. Y minus 1 times y minus 2. And K and L is given, and M is also given. M of X is given as 10 minus x square. Okay. So these are the three functions, K of X, L of X, and M of X, right? Now, with respect to these three functions, we have to answer this question number 19. And A part of this is find the values of K of 3, K of 6, and K of minus 3. Okay. So, okay. So K of 3, if you want to find out, so you have to go to this. K of X is equal to 2x square upon 3. So this will give me K of 3 equal to, I'll just plug in the 3 in place of X over here. So 2 into 3 square upon 3. That should work out to 2 into 3, that is 6. Then K of 6 will be 2 into, in place of X, I'll plug in 6. So 6 square upon 3, which is 2 into 6 square is 36 upon 3. This will be 12 to the 24. That's the answer. Then K of minus 3 should be 2 into minus 3 plus square divided by 3. That should work out to 2 into 9 upon 3. That should be 3 to the 6. So these are the answers for the A part. B is You have to find out L of 2, L of 10, is it 10? No, L of 0, and L of 4. Okay. So function is L of x equal to the square root, and you have y minus 1 times y minus 2. Is that it? Okay. Now here L of x is given in terms of y minus 1 and y minus 2. Okay. Now again, let us see. Okay. So L of x is given as root of y minus 1, y minus 2. So L of 2 will be basically what? Now, here in the function you have y, so you cannot put the, okay, fine. So L of x is equal to y minus 1 into y minus 1. Yeah, so I think there are some ambiguities in these questions. Okay, quickly let me check out the textbook for question number, this is 19b, right? So 19a is 6, 24 and 6. That is what we got, right? That is correct, 6, 24 and 6. And for b, we are getting 0, root 2 and 6. Let us check out. Okay, so this L of 2 will be equal to, okay. Now what we will do is first we will find out L of y. L of x is equal to this, right? So same way we'll have to do. There's no ambiguity. Actually, it's a straightforward thing. Now, first I will find out L of y. Okay. So L of y will be equal to, okay, there's already y over here. Okay. L of x is equal to, let me check out again. What was the question? Okay. It's question number 19, right? Yeah. It is x, y minus 1, y minus 2. So L of 2, if you want to find out, what should it be? So square root of 2 minus 1 times 2 minus 2. It should be square root of 2 minus 1 is 1 into 0. That's equal to 0. And the answer is a 0. Yeah, it's correct. Okay. Fine. I think there should have been x over here instead of y. Okay. This y, you know, that should have been x over, right? So let me do that correction. No, put x in place of y. Okay, so here you'll have to put x. So let me do that. Okay, because this is not a straightforward thing. It's a serious matter. You cannot do that. Okay, let us take this, right? So, and let this be x over. Okay. Okay. So you want to find out L of 2, isn't it? Okay. So this is how it works. And then L of 10, if you L of 10 hai ya 0 hai again. It's what they will ask you to find out. L of 0 they will ask you to find out. Okay. So L of 0 will be square root of, this will be 0 minus 1 times 0 minus 2, which is minus 1 times minus 2, which is equal to 4, which is equal to 2. And the answer is okay, it's square root of x minus 1, x minus 2. So 0 minus 1 and 0 minus 2. So minus 1 into minus 2 will be 2, not 4. Right. So this will be 2. and the answer will be root 4. Okay, and that's also correct. And the last one is you have to find out L of what has been asked. L of 0 के बाद they have asked you to find L of 4. So again it will be square root of 4 minus 1 is 3 and 4 minus 2 is 2. So it will be root of 6. Okay. So these are the answers for your question number 19. Okay. And question number 20 also we can, yeah. Question 20 also we can. Two more questions are left. So question number 20. No, the C part is remaining for this one. So 19th ka C1 is remaining. Okay, so C will be 19th ka C will be, you have to find out M of 4. You have to find out M of minus 2 and you have to find out M of half. Okay, so what is the M function? M of x is 10 minus x square. It's given here. Okay, 10 minus x square. Okay, so going by this, M of 4 will be equal to 10 minus 4 square, that is equal to 10 minus 16, which is minus 6. Then M of minus 2 should be 10 minus of minus 2 the whole square, that is 10 minus of 4, that is equal to 6. And M of half should be equal to 10 minus half square, which is 10 minus 1 by 4, that is 40 minus 1 is 39 upon 4. Okay, so these are the answers for your C part of the question. So minus 6, 6 and 39 upon 4. This 39 upon 4 can be written as 9 3 by 4. Fine. So question number 19 is done. Now let us start with question number 20. 20 is find A. A is find X if K of X is equal to 6. Okay. Now, yeah. So you have to find X if K of X is equal to 6, right? Now, what was K of X? First of all, let us check it out. K of X was given here, 2x square upon 3. Okay, this is your K of X, 2x square upon 3. So this K of X is 2x square upon 3. This is equal to 6. So from this you want to find out X. So it will be 2x square equal to 6 3s are 18. This will give you x square equal to 18 upon 2 is 9. So this will give you x equal to 3. Am I right? Yeah. So x will be equal to 3, or rather plus or minus 3, because it is square root of 9. So it will be plus or minus 3. Okay. So that's A part of the question, 20 part. And B part is okay. Find X. So again you have to find X if M of X is equal to 1. Right. Now what was our M of X? M of X was 10 minus x square, right? So M of X is nothing but 10 minus x square. And this I am equating to 1. Okay, because M of X is also equal to 1. From here I can find out X. So 10 minus 1, that is 9, will be equal to x square. This gives us x equal to plus or minus 3 again. Okay. So the answer is again plus or minus 3. Then C part of the question is it? Find y if K of y is equal to 2 by 3. Now we don't know k of y, but from k of x, okay, we can find out. So what is k of x basically? K of x was is it here? Okay, 2x square upon 3. Now this will give me k of y equal to 2y square upon 3. Now k of y is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, so can I write here 2 by 3 is equal to 2y square upon 3. So from here we'll have to find out y. So 2 by 3 can be written as 2 by 3 can be written as 3 to the 6, 7, 8 upon 3. This should be equal to 2y square upon 3. So this 3 gets cut, and you get 8 upon 2 equal to y square. This 8 upon 2 is 4 equal to y square. That means y is equal to plus or minus 2. So I get the answer for y. So you need to find out y, no? So C is also done. Now D part of the question is 20 ka D is find P if M of P is equal to minus 26, right? To find P if M of P is equal to minus 26. Now we know that M of X is equal to how much? 2x square upon 3. So M of P will be what? It will be 2 into P square upon 3, right? And this M of P is given to you as minus 26. So you can write minus 26 equal to 2P square upon 3. From here you can find out P. So minus 26 times 3 divided by 2 will be equal to P square. This should be 13 is at 39. So minus 13 is at 39 is equal to P square. Okay. So P will be how much? Now this is something which is not going to give you correct answer. Okay. Plus or minus 6 answer is given. Okay. If we check out again, is it minus or what is it? Okay. Yeah. Find P if M of P is minus 26. Yeah, correct. P if M of P is equal to minus 26. Let me check in the book. Yeah. Find P if M of P is minus 26. That's correct. Okay. Question number 20. Fine. So, the question is correct. So, let us check it again. Where were we? Find P if M of P is minus 26. Okay. So, M of X is 2x square upon 3. Let me check that. M of X. Here. Oh, M of X is not 20. No, here we went wrong. Okay. So, it is not, M of X is not 2x square by 3, right? So this is where we made a big mistake. So let me redo this. Yeah. Okay. So your m of x is, for question number 20, your k of x. Okay. 1 second. 20 का d है. Okay. So m of x is given as 10 minus x square. Okay. 10 minus x square. So your m of p should be 10 minus p square, right? Fine. Now this m of p is given to you as minus 26. So you can write minus 26 equal to 10 minus p square. From this you'll have to find out p. So p square will be equal to 10 plus 26. So this gives me p square equal to 36, and my p will be equal to plus or minus 6. So this is the answer for 20D. So with that, we have completed question number 20, and there's one more question, that is 21. So okay, let's complete that as well. Yeah, that's okay. Now okay. So here we are. We are left with only one question, right? So I think this much space will be enough. Okay, fine. So question number 21, you can work out here. 21. Now 21 says that if f of x is defined as a product of the digits of x. Okay, example, f of x is, now see, f of 12 is equal to 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. This is how it has been defined. Okay, f of x. Now you have to find out a. A is what? You have to find f of a is find a ka 1, f of 25 and f of 13, right? Yeah. So you have to find 1 f of 25 and 2 f of 13, isn't it? So going by this, f of 25 should be equal to 2 into 5, that is 10, and f of 13 should be equal to 1 into 3, that should be equal to 3. So the answer for A 1 and 2 is 10 and 3, and that's absolutely correct. 10 and 21 is given here behind. Is it 21? Let's check again. Okay. 713. It's not 13. It is 713. F of 713. So going by that, it should be 7 1 3. Okay, so that should be 1 7 also. 7 into 1 into 3 will be 21. So now your answer is correct. It is 21. Fine. B part of the same question 21. Now what is B part? Let's check from here. A is done. If x is an integer with 3 digits, find 1 x such that f of x is equal to 1. Okay. Now you have to find x such that f of x is equal to 1. So what he is saying is x is an integer with 3 digits. Okay. So it should the product should work out to 1, isn't it? So can I write as 1 1 1? This will be 1 into 1 into 1, which is equal to 1. Okay. So your x should be equal to 1 1 1. Right? We check the answer, and the answer is yes, 1 1 1 is the answer. Then second one is this one. Okay, the largest x such that f of x is equal to 4. F of x is equal to 4, and it's a 3-digit number. Okay, so find the largest x. So largest x should be 4 1 1. If you take f of 4 1 1, it will be 4 into 1 into 1. This should be equal to 4. Okay. So your x should be equal to 4 1 1. Right. Third one is okay. Third question is the largest x such that f of x is equal to 0. Yeah. So f of x is equal to 0. It's a 3-digit number, and the largest, find largest x. Okay. So largest x, if you want to take 3 digits, so let us take this as 9 and then 0 0. Now this will be 9 into 0 into 0, which is equal to 0. So your x will be 900. Okay. And the fourth one is the smallest x such that f of x is equal to 2. And it's a 3-digit number, so f of smallest number should be 2, right? Okay. So then write 1 1 and then 2. Will 1 into 1 into 2, which is equal to 2. So the smallest number will be 1 1 2. Okay, so those are the answers. The largest number should be here. It should be the largest x such that f of x, the largest x. Okay. Okay. So to make the largest x, you can take this as 9 as well. Okay. You take this as 9. So it will be 9 into 9 into 0. So that will also work out to 0. And your largest number will be 990. Okay. So there's a, this answer will be 990. Okay. This is okay, 112. This is okay. This is okay. Okay. So with that, we have completed 21, question number 21 from exercise 11. And we are left with some 7 more questions, because totally we have 28 questions. Okay, so 21 is also done, so 7 more questions is to be done from this exercise 11, which we will be perhaps doing in the next video now. So that's all for today. See you next time in the next video. And all of you.